We've got a beautiful 1967 Pontiac GTO here today. It's been ground up restored. It's straight. It's a beautiful Royal Plum purple color on here with a custom gray leather, genuine leather upholstery. The trunk's done to match. Got a 400 motor, all done underneath. Really nice car. It's going to stand out from the other GTOs. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the information. Take your time and look at over 100 pictures, top to bottom. And that's also where you'll find the price tag along with the monthly finance option on every car we have for sale. With only 10% down, the banks will go 12, 13 years on most of our cars. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then click that bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted. Right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. All right, so underneath the car is just really clean and solid, smooth. It's all black, the frame, the chassis, the floors, all nice, smooth satin black, rust-free, not even pitted, not patched. I mean, it looks really, really nice. All the suspension's been redone, the steering front and back, bushings, ball joints, springs, shocks. You can see it has new springs. It's sitting nice and proud. In back, it actually has air shocks, and must be an onboard compressor because there's a switch and a gauge inside. You can control the air shocks in back. Real nice dual exhaust system with a nice turn down tip all tucked up under there. You don't have some ugly exhaust hanging down. Brand new Flowmaster mufflers we just put on. We do service. We inspect every car, gets test driven, gets put on a lift, and we service the cars appropriately. Drum brakes, factory drum brakes all around. That's been serviced. You look up at the motor, it's still real nice, clean Pontiac blue, even from the bottom, the starter, the fuel pump, that all looks fresh. The Turbo 400 heavy-duty automatic trans looks fresh. So yeah, really nice, clean underside. Now the body. The body is really straight. There's no rust, no damage. I already inspected the car before we started. You know, this is all nice, no problem areas. This is all really good. There's like a little scratch or a little hairline crack. It looks like a piece of hair. I actually tried wiping it off. But absolutely straight. All lines up real good. Got the GTO scooped hood. All of this lines up. It's all straight. No damage, no rust. All looking really good. The body is really, really nice. So the paint, the Royal Plum, beautiful color. That's what I like about this GTO. It still is nostalgic GTO, but this color, which they actually did offer Royal Plum in '67 on the Pontiac, it's just beautiful. Now there's a minor flaw here or there. Here's another. God, it's so tiny it's barely worth mentioning. It looks like a little bigger than an eyelash laying there. And then there's going to be a little nick or touch up here or there. On the edge of that other door, there's some nicks right on the edge of the door. So paint is gorgeous. The chrome, for the most part, looks like it's been redone. You know, the emblems replaced, bumpers re-chromed. The stainless trim, I think, has been polished because all this trim is nice and straight and shiny. This is more of like an anodized trim, so this has a different look to it. It's not as shiny as the stainless, but it looks like that's been refinished as well. Original window frames in really nice shape. Original remote mirror in real nice shape. Windshield's been replaced. The wheel well moldings and the rocker moldings are nice and shiny. Now, typically this is red in here. They painted it plum to match the car. Now, coming around, the tail lights, the bumper, that's all been replaced. It has the wire mesh, GTO grill. The plastic's real nice, not broken, actually probably new. So all the trim on the car looks great. Original antenna. And it's sitting on a set of nostalgic 15-inch Cragar SS wheels with some Super Sport tires to round up the look. I really like the interior, so why don't we check that out. All right, let's see what the inside of the trunk looks like. I think you'll be pleased. Well, the underside of the trunk lid's painted real nice like the car. Jam is painted nice. The weather strip was replaced. And look what we have here. It's all boxed and upholstered. They made panels all around, even way up in there. It's all boxed and upholstered to match the interior. They even incorporated some GTO emblems, which is a cool idea. And then the carpet, same nice, soft, upgraded carpet with bound edges that we're going to see inside the car. Well, even underneath here, there's a panel underneath. Who's going to see that? But that's the little extra that they did. And I mentioned it must have an onboard compressor for the air shocks. It's probably behind one of those panels. So door jambs are painted nice. Weather strips were replaced. And then you see the interior is all color match. It's not 5 shades of gray. It's all matched real nice. Custom door panels, new armrests. There's carpet at the bottom of the door panels. The metal trim is painted to match. Again, all this is color matched. The dash pad, the metal, the instrument panel. This looks really nice. Nothing's cut, broken, or beat up. It does have a factory tachometer. It has an original AM radio with 8-track. I have no idea if that works, but it's kind of cool just to have one. GTO emblem, the grab bar, all this is real nice. Kick panels are color matched. So this is the Hurst dual gate his and hers shifter. You can just put it in drive and drive it like a normal car. Or if you want to put it over here, it's slotted so you can speed shift. Your first, you keep it pushed over to this side and it stops you at second and it stops you at third. So they called it his and hers. It's pretty cool. The seats that we're sitting on, genuine soft leather, real leather. Even the sides of the seats, it's all soft leather, custom made. A little bit of the Royal Plum incorporated into it. Even the back of the seat and the sides of the seats, the plastic is upholstered. Got really nice carpet down on the floor, all custom cut and sewn with matching mats. Leather back seat as well, all soft leather. I love leather. Side panels, armrest, all that's redone. The rear shelf is upholstered. And then the headliner is all custom cloth, working interior lights throughout, matching cloth visors. And we got a walnut steering wheel. So they did a nice job with the interior. This car is ground up restored. It's not a $100,000 nut and bolt restoration, but it's really a nice car. The engine compartment looks real nice. I don't think there's been many miles on the car. And the guy has owned it since 1990 that I bought it from. But it is a 400 motor. It's been rebuilt. It's got a little hotter cam, aluminum intake, Edelbrock with an electric choke. Got HEI ignition and a billet distributor back there. And it's got a set of headers. Now I want to point out, look how the wires are run neatly. The squirters are all tucked away real nicely. We do have an overflow bottle added to the radiator. The hoses are all replaced and have reproduction clamps. It's got a shroud, the right cap. The battery is secured properly. It does have power steering and a chrome alternator. It has a hood insulation up under the hood. So everything in here is really nice, tidy, neat, and clean. Remember, folks, you just started. It's not warmed up yet. Boy, this thing sounds like it wants to run. Yeah, real nice, clean, straight, fresh, tidy, well restored. Nice GTO. It is a real GTO. I love the colors. I think you're going to pull into a cruise night or car show. This is going to be the one they look at. It's a nice dark purple, but I'm noticing every once in a while where the light really hits it, it just really pops. So it's going to be a beautiful car out in the daylight. Go to volocars.com. You can talk to the salesman. They can help answer your questions. They can help get this delivered to your door, and they can help you with that financing at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe, click on the bell icon. We add new videos every day. Thanks for watching.